Identify the core chemistry concept. Le Chatelier's principle states that if a system at equilibrium is subjected to a stress or disturbance, the system will shift its equilibrium position in a direction that counteracts or minimizes that stress. Understand the effect of reducing the container volume. Reducing the volume of a sealed container holding gaseous reactants and products increases the concentration and the partial pressures of all gaseous species present. This increases the frequency of collisions and raises the overall pressure inside the container. Determine how the system counteracts a volume reduction. To minimize the stress of increased pressure, the equilibrium will shift in the direction that decreases the total number of gas molecules in the container. Therefore, a decrease in volume, increase in pressure, shifts the equilibrium toward the side of the reaction with fewer moles of gas. An increase in volume, decrease in pressure, shifts the equilibrium toward the side with more moles of gas. Analyze the stoichiometry of each reaction to count the gaseous moles on both sides. Reaction A. 4HCl plus O2 is in equilibrium with 2Cl2 plus 2H2O reactant gas moles. For plus 1 is equal to 5 moles product gas moles. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 moles since the product side has fewer moles of gas, for less than 5. Reducing the volume will shift this equilibrium to the right, forward direction. Increasing the amount of products. Reaction B. N2O4 is in equilibrium with 2 reactant gas moles, 1 mole product gas moles. 2 moles since the reactant side has fewer moles of gas, 1 less than 2. Reducing the volume will shift this equilibrium to the left, reverse direction. Decreasing the amount of products. Reaction C. H2 plus I2 is in equilibrium with 2 HI reactant gas moles. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 moles product gas moles. 2 moles since both sides have an equal number of gas moles. 2 is equal to 2. A change in volume has no effect on the equilibrium position or the amount of products. Reaction D. 2NH3 is in equilibrium with N2 plus 3 H2 reactant gas moles. 2 moles product gas moles. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 moles since the reactant side has fewer moles of gas, 2 less than 4. Reducing the volume will shift this equilibrium to the left, reverse direction. Decreasing the amount of products. Select the correct reaction. Reaction A is the only system where a volume decrease shifts the equilibrium to the right to increase the amount of products. Confirming option A is the correct answer. The correct answer is option A, reaction A.